Are you interested how to recover deposits just from $1? If yes, watch this video till the end, because today I will show you the best strategy that allows you to earn money from $1. So how much you'll be able to earn today? Maybe a couple of thousands. So guys, let's start and let's see how much I will be able to earn. As you can see, I have already set up indicators and I have chosen Alligator indicator and CCI. This is the perfect combination, and moreover I have already chosen pretty good currency pairs for different situations on it. So I want to start my trading session with I think the first currency pair, yes, which is Sri Lankan franc and Japanese money here. As you can notice, this is pretty good downtrend, but for some time a period of correction, they pivot, and now this green line has crossed the right signals line. So that's why I'll put my dollar here in my investment and do this trade for 1 minute. So guys, be ready for call option right now. So guys, exciting trade. Our first trade in this trading session is in profit, because you see this was a pretty cool signal to enter this deal. This entry point is excellent because here this green excellent line has crossed the red moving average line, which is a good entry point. So let's go further. Let's go to the second currency pair and see which situation we have there. I really love trading because you see how rapidly and easily I make profit on this. And let's evaluate this situation. So always do brief technical analysis, always. We see in general here the price is going in up direction, and here we can see little price fluctuations, and now again the price step by step was going in up direction. So here we'll invest $2, and guys, pay attention, all trades here I do just from 1 minute. So guys, be ready for put option right now. And pretty good signal, guys. It was a really good profit because it is pretty cool for you to analyze the patterns very carefully, and that's why I always rely on technical analysis, which is really important if you trade, especially here. I usually prefer making a couple of trades with all currency pairs that I have chosen just to feel the market. And here it's perfect situation when I notice that the price is falling down, and moreover just this intersection is happening right now. So that's perfect moment, and I will put here $4 and say I want to make a trade for 1 minute. So guys, be ready to do it in up direction right now. And amazing situation, guys. You see, it was a pretty good entry point, and just look at our chart. We entered this deal exactly when the price was pretty low, and of course after this the price has grown because look, in general we have this uptrend, and exactly here the price is going with this trend, and that's amazing. And I think I wanted to do here one more trade, and even in the period of correction with this strategy you can gain your profit. Here when the price again isn't moving too low, I will change my investment for $7 and do the same one more trade for 1 minute due to the signal in down direction. So guys, be ready to do it right now. So again, this is a perfect result, a good entry point. You see CCI was looking in down direction, there was an intersection with Alligator indicator, and all the signals told me about the put option position. So it was excellent again, but I really don't like this flat line which is forming. I think it will wait a couple of minutes, and let's get back to my first currency pairs. The situation, I remember it, and I really love this intersection at Alligator indicator. It is excellent, and after this the price went in the direction very confidently. So here we'll trade with $14 in say 1 minute. So guys, it's very important that in this strategy we do all trade just for 1 minute. So guys, be ready for call option. So excellent profit again, guys. It was pretty good signal for entry point, and you see this intersection at Ligator, and after this the price is constantly going down. I really love this trade, that's why I want to make one more trade at this trend. And here exactly when the price slowly getting going in up direction. It's an excellent entry point for us, but I will do this with $25. So you see my deposit is increasing with each trade, which is really cool. And here I suggest you to do one more trade, same for 1 minute, and exactly here it will be better to trade in down direction right now. That was excellent, guys. You see the price running down direction, and you can notice these patterns. They're really working out, and that's amazing, of course. And again, guys, you see excellent entry point when this red candle has closed and the green one has started to grow. So this time I want to increase my investment one more time, and I will trade in up direction with $46. So here be ready for call option right now. So guys, that's excellent. Really just manage your risk and you will stay in the profit. You know that most of the trades are winning if you follow the right strategy. So it's true, you should adhere to them correctly, and that way you can always turn a profit. So I see the price has constantly grown in up direction, and I have already shown you how to trade on an upward trend with this strategy, with this combination of indicators. But if you understand in how you can use these indicators on our market situations. Let's do one more trade again on this currency pair. I really love this situation, this uptrend, but this time I'm able to increase my investment, and I like how much money I will able already to earn. Now $85 on my investment. You know, I started just from $1, and I think it's great. Here be ready for put option. So guys, that was nice. Here I can notice that this pattern is forming. So that's why I managed to take this decision, and you see two candles. One of them is green and the other one is red. So that's the pattern. That's why I understood that the price will go in that direction, and remember situation, it was excellent. So the little period of correction has started from here. That's why I'll just wait a couple of minutes and let's see how the situation is going with the third currency pair, Canadian dollar and Switzerland franc, because here you can remember recently we had a pretty good situation. And oh my god, guys, oh my god, you see this trend is falling down very rapidly. That's crazy. You see, it was a flat line and the period of correction when we traded is in here a few minutes ago. But now it's a strong downtrend, very strong. You see this intersection at Ligator indicator CCI is in oversold condition, and that's why I definitely trade here with $162, but the price has fallen too far. So be ready for call option right now. So you see, when the price is going in down direction in such immediate way, that's a really cool sign for you to the period of correction soon will happen. And you see this green candle, the price is going in that direction, that's pretty excellent. And I think I want to do one more trade here again. And by the way, I want to tell you that I really love trading, and I can afford myself doing this. And yes, guys, only due to trading on binary options, so that's really pretty good. Right now I'm trading all around the world, and it's very astonishing for me. So I want to trade here with $300, and as the bigger you invest, the bigger profit you will have after your trade closes. So here be ready for call option right now. Amazing results, guys. Oh my god, pretty good. And you can notice they almost have $1,000 on my account. That's amazing, and started just from $1 today. remember this, and trading on binary options gives me financial independence, which is really cool. I think I can travel all around the world as you know, and I can help my family and myself, of course. And by the way, I see this flat line is forming on my chart. That's why I prefer to just keep situation. And let's go to the first one. Second one is not so interesting as I prefer only big and huge percentage payout. So I can notice that here the price started to go in that direction. Even CCI is looking to this side, but I think I can trade here. You see, it's very important to do some money management, and when you see that situation is pretty unclear, just trade with a part of your mind. So here I want to trade, I think, with $400, and I could afford myself trading with much more bigger sums. But here it will be rational to trade just with 400, so be ready for a call option right now. And here I'm in profit again, guys. You see how risky was this situation. This red candle almost closed under our entry point, so that was crazy. Ooh, I'm a little bit scared, but I'm in profit because I traded just for 1 minute, and that was trading up. So that's exactly the reason why I trade on such time, because this small time expiration, and yes, this flat line, and I again prefer to wait a couple of minutes. So that's why let's get back to the third currency pair. Pretty good, already $900 with this really low risky strategy, because money management has included in this strategy. So I really like that the price started to go down here again, and that's why I will trade here with $900. So really that's a pretty good feeling when you can trade with $900, I think, in such calm way. So be ready for put option right now. Amazing profit, guys! Amazing profit again. See the price running down direction in general way, and that's pretty cool. Already $1,000 on my life account. So I think that's a pretty cool entry point. I couldn't miss it. I can't miss this opportunity to earn one more couple of $1,000, and because I'm Lara and I'm pretty scrooged in this way. So here I want to again put one more trade, but this time with $1,000. But stay for 1 minute, that's the point of this strategy, and be ready for put option right now. Fantastic trade again, guys. You see, that's why I love trading with the trend is pronounced. That's pretty easy to earn money here when you're trading on pronounced trend, for example. And yes, I want to do one more trade here, and you see very confidently the candles are going in down direction. That's why I really like. And now I want to invest $2,000 already same for 1 minute, guys. Pay attention to this, it's very important. What I'm doing, so let's get it back. So be ready for call option right now. Awesome result, guys! Pretty good entry point, and I managed to notice where the good entry point will be, because I can see this previous cross candle which have pretty short body and really long wings, because here the balls were pushing the price in now direction. And about this, we can understand from this result week under this candle. So ask that amazing sign, I think we can go and check my second currency pair, because they haven't traded much here yet, because they were low percentage of payout, but now it has increased a little bit. But you see that the lines for Geta are intertwined. That's not so cool. So this will just skip the situation again and go to the first currency. So when you trade with huge sums, just wait for the better situation. It's very important. You know, the position is sizing technicals involve deciding how much to allocate per trade and how much risk to take per trade. For example, trader wants to trade 3 different pairs depending on the size of their trading capital in previous experience trading their pairs, the trader may want to allocate different amounts to each trade. So guys, I just wanted to give you one more brief tips, and I think that now we can continue our trading session. Let's go to the third currency pair, Canadian dollar and Switzerland franc. This situation is much more important and pretty good for us when the trend is going in down direction. This is pretty nice. I think here I want to trade with the whole my account because I'm pretty confident in the price direction movement. So here be ready for put option with $4,000 right now. So guys, an amazing result. I really love it, and you see trading on pronounced trend. It's really cool, especially if you understand and if you're trading with my strategy with Alligator Indicator and CCI. So today I try to explain all signals that help you to earn really good sums. But if you don't understand it, just play this video back one more time because I explained everything in detail. And if you want to get financial independence, just go to the link under this video and follow the Telegram channel with our community of traders. So guys, I wish you good luck, and remember that small steps are the key to success. Bye bye!